So we are discussing about black soil, no? So how is black soil formed? That we have seen. Black soil is formed by the weathering of basalt rock. Okay. Then next one is, what are the important features of black soil? Already I have told you black soil is fertile soil, and the main feature of black soil is it is very clayey. Okay. The particles are closely arranged in this case of soil. They are very compactly arranged. The particles of the soil are very compactly arranged, very closely arranged. That is why it is clayey. When the soil is clayey, what it can do? It can retain, it can hold more water. Moisture retention capacity will be more in case of black soil, very clay. That is why during the winter season as well as summer season, agriculture can be carried on in this peninsular plateau region. Means water content, moisture content will be there. So irrigation facility ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಬೇಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ to grow cotton, all these kinds of your crops. So water retention capacity, moisture retention capacity is more here, and the name itself suggests, no, the color of this soil is black and dark gray. So these are the important features. It is very clayey, it can retain moisture, and it is very good for agriculture because it is even fertile. It has got minerals, no. So these are the important features of black soil. So I will share the page for you. Let us go for the points there. Yes, page 3. Yes, you can see here how is black soil formed and what are the other names. It is also called black redwood soil, or it is also called cotton soil. Then features I have explained you already. Which are the crops grown? That is also told. Cotton, wheat, okay. Then your ragi, then your jowar, jute, all these things, sugarcane, all these things grow better in this soil. Then after that, next one is, in which regions black soil is found in more quantity? Obviously it is found in more quantity in the peninsular region, northern Karnataka region, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra region, then parts of Gujarat, Telangana and Tamil Nadu region. Yes, so here you can find, so the area covered by black soil is 5.46 lakh square kilometers. 5.46 lakh square kilometers. So this is how your black soil is formed, and it is distributed in different regions of India. Then after that, next one is, children, red soil. How is red soil formed? So again, red soil is formed by the weathering of crystalline rocks. What are these crystalline rocks? Crystalline rocks are none other than your third form of rock, that is metamorphic rock. So here examples for metamorphic or crystalline rock is given there. One is granite. Okay, so ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, granite, that is crystalline rock, that is metamorphic rock. Then another type of soil is there, another type of rock is there, that is gneiss. Okay, it is not gneiss there, children, it is gneiss. So these are the two types of rocks. Metamorphic rocks, two types. Crystalline rocks, two types. One is your granite and second one is gneiss. These are the examples for that. So by the weathering of these kinds of rocks, your red soil is formed. But red soil, it is not a fertile soil, and it is sandy compared to your black soil. It is sandy, and that is why it is not clayey. Andre other the particles, they are not very compact, and that is why it cannot retain moisture in high quantity. So that is why this soil is not so good for what, children? Agriculture. And its color is red and brownish red color, reddish brown color. It is the color of this soil. So you can find the features there. I have written. Once you go through that, how is it formed, that should be written. Second feature is, what is the color of that soil. Afterwards, third one is, it is not so clayey, it is sandy, and as it is clayey and sand, as it is not clayey, as it is sandy, it cannot retain moisture. So these are the features of your red soil. Okay. Next, in which regions of India red soil is found? In which regions of India red soil is found? See, in these regions your red soil is found, means all over India, because your metamorphic rock, it is formed by what? The pressure and temperature which is put on your primary and secondary rock. Primary rock ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ನಿಮ್ಮ igneous rock, ಹೌದಾ? Basalt rock ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೋಲ್ಕ್ಯಾನೋದಿಂದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆದಂತಹ ರಾಕ್. ಎರಡನೇದು ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಕ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ರಾಕ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನದಿ ದಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ನದಿಗಳು ತಂದು ಹಾಕಿರುವಂತಹ ಮಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನ್ ರಾಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ರಾಕ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ರಾಕ್ಸು ನಿಮಗೆ ವೋಲ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಆದಂತಹ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪೆನಿನ್ಸುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಯು. ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ your alluvial tract, alva. So that is why in most of the regions of India you can find this red soil. So metamorphic rock, ಇವು ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಕಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಾಗ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಅಡಿಗಡೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇಂದ ದೀಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಕ್ಸ್, ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ರಾಕ್, ದೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಮೆಟಮಾರ್ಫಿಕ್ ರಾಕ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ as it is found in many regions of the India, you can find red soil in different regions. See here, southern part of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu region, okay, then regions, few regions of Maharashtra, few regions of Madhya Pradesh, there also you can find this red soil. Then next one, Kerala, Goa, okay, in Orissa, in all these regions you can find red soil, okay. Then important crops that grow well in your red soil are ragi, millets, okay, these potatoes, all these things they grow better in red soil. So it is not so good for agriculture. Understood? Yes. Afterwards, next type of soil is laterite soil. In which regions of India do we find laterite soil? Okay, before learning laterite soil, I want answers from your side now. Tell me the features of black soil. Which are the different features of black soil? Who will tell me? Nitin? Tell me the different features of black soil.
They are highly retentive of moisture.
Exactly. Then why they are highly retentive of moisture? Why are they highly retentive of moisture?
Because they have clay content.
Yeah, exactly. They are clayey. Then which are the other features? They are clayey. That is why they have got more water retention capacity. Then what about the fertility? Is it fertile or infertile? Nitin?
It is very fertile.
Yeah, exactly. It is very fertile, no? Then how is it formed? That also you should write. Okay, how is it formed? Nitin, how is black soil formed? Nitin? Okay. Then Nikhil Naik.
They are formed from basalt rock.
They are formed by the weathering of basalt rock. That is correct. Okay. Now tell me, what is the more, you have left one very important feature of black soil. Nikhil Naik. Which point is left by Nitin? Nikhil Naik. Nikhil? Huh. Which important feature of black soil is missed by Nitin?
They are compact.
They are compact, that he has told. But he has not told about the color of this soil. Very important, no? What is the color of this soil?
Dark gray and black in color.
Yes, it is dark grey and black in color. So these are the important features of black soil. Now, for 2 marks, you can expect one question. What are the differences between or differentiate between red soil and black soil? So you have to concentrate on the features of black soil and red soil. You know how black soil is formed. It is formed by the weathering of basalt rock. How is red soil formed, Yashaswini? How is red soil formed?
By the weather,
By the weathering of
granite,
granite or gneiss. What is that type of rock called?
crystalline rocks.
Exactly. So, black soil is formed by the weathering of basalt rock. Red soil is formed by the weathering of your crystalline rock. Then, what is the difference in color that you know, no? Red soil, it is red and reddish brown. Black soil, dark grey and dark in color. Then, third difference, who will tell me? Anish? Anish?
Mataji,
Yes. What is the third difference between red soil and black soil?
see, black soil is suited for cultivation of cotton, sugarcane, etc.
Yeah. What about red soil?
Mm.
Instead of that, how can you answer? Tejasvi Bhatt? Tejasvi?
Black soil is suitable for cultivation of cotton, sugarcane, etc.
Huh.
Red soil is suitable for cultivation of ragi, groundnuts, tobacco.
Yeah, that you can tell. Instead of that, what you can tell? Black soil is
Black
more
soil,
fertile. Yeah. Black soil is?
red soil do not retain moisture. Black soil retain moisture.
Yeah, black soil can retain moisture. Red soil cannot retain moisture. Why red soil cannot retain moisture and black soil cannot retain moisture? Can retain moisture.
Red soil is sandier and less clay.
Yeah, exactly. Hold See, you can write the difference between black soil and red soil in this way. So first of all, color you have how it is how they are formed, that is told. Color also you have told. Third one is black soil is clayey, whereas red soil is sandy. Fourth one is black soil can hold moisture, whereas red soil cannot hold moisture. The next one, red soil is not so fertile and black soil is fertile. In this way, you have to write the difference between black soil and red soil. Okay. Now, after this, next one is laterite soil, children. How is laterite soil formed? Actually, laterite soil is formed in the regions which get heavy rainfall and high temperature. So that is why laterite soil can be found in the tropical regions. Heavy rainfall ಮತ್ತೆ high temperature ಇರುವಂತಹ regions ಯಾವುದು? Tropical regions. So this laterite soil is formed in the regions which get heavy temperature and heavy temperature and heavy rainfall. High temperature and heavy rainfall. So ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಹೈ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆವಿ ರೇನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಟರೈಟ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದ? It is not like that. See, for that we have to know the features of this laterite soil. What is the main feature of laterite soil? So it is leached one. Okay, leached one ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅದು ಮಳೆ ಬಂದು ತೊಳೆದು ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಯೂಮಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಯಾವುದೋ ಫರ್ಟೈಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲೂಸ್ ದಟ್ and only salty content will remain there. That is why it is infertile. So in the plain region, if there is heavy rainfall and high temperature, then laterite soil is not formed there, because that soil is formed. How? It is formed by washing. So it is found in the slope regions of the hills and of the mountains, that too in the upper regions of the hills and mountains. You will get high temperature there and heavy rainfall there, and as the rain falls, what happens, it gets leached. Adu savita hogtade, and that is why fertility of the soil will not remain. Okay, so this is how your laterite soil is formed in the peninsular plateau region, maybe in the Western Ghats, maybe in the Eastern Ghats, Satpura range, Vindhya range, Rajmahal hills, Chota Nagpur plateau. In all these regions, in the upper part, where you will not have thick forest. If you come to the lower regions of Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats, you have your evergreen forest, right? Thick forest is formed. When there is thick forest, then humus will be formed, alva? So humus form aitu and takshana soil enagbiಡ್ತದೆ, it becomes fertile. Adre this laterite soil, it is formed in the upper regions of these hills and mountains. Okay, where the soil gets washed by the rainfall. That is why it becomes leached. So this is about laterite soil. Let us know, let us revise the points with the help of the page which will be displayed there on the screen. Page number 6. Sinchana is what? Sinchana?
Yes, Mataji.
Why you have raised your hand? Do you have any doubt, Marie?
No, Mataji.
Okay.
That time.
That time you have raised it, no? Okay, thank you. Then, Anvik Naik?
Yes, Mataji.
Do you have any doubt?
No, Mataji.
No. Okay. Yes. Yes, we will have the page. Laterite soil. Yes. See there, how is laterite soil formed? It is formed in the tropical region, which will get high temperature and heavy rainfall, that we have seen. Then next one is, it is leached soil and not fertile. That is why it is not good for agriculture. Okay, it is found in which regions? It is found in the upper land of the hills, okay, and mountains in Peninsular Plateau, Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Chota Nagpur Plateau, then your Satpura range, Vindhya range, Rajmahal hills. In all these areas, you can find laterite soil. So, crops which can grow good in this soil are your cashew, rubber, tea, coffee, paddy. So, rubber, then next one is coffee and tea. All these grow better in the slopes of the mountain region, alva? That is why, even though the soil is not so fertile, these crops can be grown in this soil. Okay? Yes. After laterite soil, next type of soil is desert soil. What are the features of desert soil? Can anybody tell me? What are the features of desert soil? Akshay, is it very fertile? Is it fertile? If you say yes, then raise your hand. We saying yes, it is yes. It is not a fertile soil, no? In which regions of India do we find desert soil? Yes, Akshay?
Rajasthan.
In Rajasthan, we find this desert soil. Vaishnavi GM? Vaishnavi? Okay. Next. Tejas. Charan. 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 Yes, tell me. Charan, can you answer me? In which regions of India can you find desert soil? Charan is not clearly audible. Then I'll take the answer from Sumuk. Are you there? Sumuk? Okay. Next, if Sumuk is not there, can Nikhil R. Hegde answer me? Nikhil?
Yes, Mataji.
Tell me, in which regions of India can you find desert soil?
In Rajasthan,
Hmm.
Punjab, Haryana,
Yeah,
Gujarat.
exactly. Adjoining states of your Rajasthan, alwa. So,
Yes.
large part of Rajasthan, it is a desert, and the adjoining regions of Rajasthan, your Gujarat, then Haryana, Punjab, in all these states, in some regions you can find desert soil. Okay. So, what are the features of desert soil then? Who will answer me? The features of desert soil. Yes, Siri.
Are sandy,
Sandy, then
low in humus content.
yeah, they are very much low in humus content. Then they are not fertile. Then
They contain less moisture.
less moisture. Alva, they have more what salt content, and also they are fairly friable. In your textbook, they have used the word fairly friable. ಮತ್ತು fry ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Fairly friable here means what, children? It is sandy ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಉದುರು ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ತಪ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತದಲ್ವಾ. So that is called fairly friable. Understood, Akshay? What is fairly friable? Fairly friable means it is sandy. Okay, it contains more salts. Soluble salts are more in the soil, and that is why it is not fertile, and even it cannot retain moisture. It has got very less humus. Okay, so that is why your desert soil is not so good for, it is not at all good for agriculture. Okay, yes. After desert soil, the last one is your mountain soil. So mountain soil, it is found in the slopes of the hills and mountains, but not in the upper regions of hills and mountains. In the lower regions of hills and mountains, you can find this mountain soil. So here, this soil will be very rich in humus. Mountain soil will be very rich in humus. That is why this soil can be considered as the fertile soil. So in the hilly regions of India, in the Western Ghats, in hilly regions of your Shivalik mountain range, so Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, in all these regions, in the lower part of Western Ghats regions, you can find this mountain soil. Okay, yes. Let us have the page. Yes. Yes, you can see there mountain soil. How is it formed? It has got what, children? It is formed by the decomposition of organic matters, that you know. So this soil is rich in humus as it is formed by decomposition of your organic matters, and it is fertile soil. Then next one is the areas where mountain soil is formed, that is given there, slopes of mountains and hills, then covered by what? Forest. So, existence of natural vegetation, existence of forest is very important for the formation of mountain soil. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಾದ್ರೆ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್. ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟರೈಟ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಇಫ್ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೆವಿ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಥಿಕ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ next one, area, Jammu Kashmir, then your Himachal Pradesh region, Western Ghats. 2.85 lakh square kilometers area is covered by this mountain soil. And this mountain soil is good for your plantation crops. Plantation crops, just now we have discussed, no? Rubber, coffee, tea, all these things are plantation. All these crops are plantation crops. Okay? Yes. So, we have discussed about 6 types of soils so far. About what is the meaning of soil erosion and soil conservation, that we will study in our next class. But before winding up the class, can anybody tell me the features of desert soil? Features of desert soil. Neeraj. Neeraj? What are the features of desert soil? Sumit? Sumit? Preeti? What are the features of desert soil?
Machi, they are sandy and low in moisture and humus. They have high content of soluble salt.
Okay, and they are not good for agriculture. They are not fertile. Alva? Yes. So which, yes, Preeti, thank you. Which soil is, thank you Mary, which soil is found in the regions which get heavy rainfall and high temperature? Heavy rainfall and high temperature. Darshan Hegde. Darshan Hegde. Yes, Darshan. Okay. Then Vaishnavi N. Hegde. Are you there? Tejasvi.
Mataji.
Yes, tell me.
Laterite soil.
Laterite soil is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. So go through the lesson once. We'll send you the notes. Write it down in your working group. Then tomorrow onwards, I am going to correct development lesson and rural development lesson. Keep those 2 lessons complete. Okay. Let us wind up the class here. Thank you very much.